sing a happy song together, and we'll all be a happy family.
Well, hi and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a different kind of video to cover some of my other interests. Now, in past videos I've featured a lot about this model railway running around the garden, and many videos about repairing old record players, old radios, and so on and so forth. But today I'm going to do a video about one of my other interests. So without more ado, let's go on to an introduction to the bell ringing and the bell ringing group that I'm a member of with the U3A.
So for the rest of you, we're now doing something called method ringing, and what that means is, whereas when we first rang, we rang in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you saw Tim and Malcolm and Tom do some cool changes where I told which bells to swap over. The next stage, which is more complicated, is called method ringing. Trouble's going. Jeez.
So there we have it, bell ringing. I'm progressing. I've been doing it for about a year now and beginning to get the hang of it. And I've got to learn how to do the changes at the right time and which bell I've got to be following, and that to me is the very hard part of the thing. It's a skill that takes time to learn, but certainly something that some people might like to have a go at. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and consider a like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. So bye for now.
Sing a happy song together, fill the air with harmony. happy song together. That's the song to choose for pushing away the blues. Keep the heartstrings throbbing, there's a good time coming. It will keep on humming a melody. We sing the happy song together, and we'll all be a happy family.